We get some new concepts of the Samsung Galaxy F, and we wonder when will it be released. Google Pixel phones are having some problems once again now with speakers that are acting up. And Sharp just announced the phone with 2 notches because one definitely wasn't enough. I'm Jaime Rivera, and for those of you asking where is our Thunder Purple OnePlus 6T coverage, I am waiting for it as soon as I land from here. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. We've been covering Black Friday deals already, and some of the Samsung ones were already discussed. Like, for example, the $70 off the Galaxy Watch that I'm currently using, or the case of the $200 off the Galaxy S9 or Galaxy Note 9. But it keeps extending itself, and now it seems that we've got bundles, accessory kits, where you can get up to $300 off accessory kits depending on what product you go for. Learn more about the full list in the description, as it's kind of large. Now let's talk about Samsung and their Android Pie beta. Believe it or not, Samsung is terrible at software updates, but it seems that this new One UI is changing things, as the beta is now available in Korea for Galaxy S9 or Galaxy S9 Plus, and well, that's great. It means that this new UI makes software updates not so complicated. Thank you, finally, Sammy. Let's just hope that the beta extends to other countries very soon. Now let's talk about Sharp. For those of you that you probably don't remember, but the Sharp Aquos was probably the first device ever to sport that whole concept of very small bezels on a display. And then everything snowballed after that. And well, the company has just launched their R2 Compact, which follows on that idea, but now innovates, quote unquote, with 2 notches, one at the top for the camera, one at the bottom for the home button. Which, if you ask me, I'm not saying that I like it. I'm just saying I prefer that over chins like the one on the Google Pixel 3. But that's just me. And speaking of the Google Pixel 3, there are 2 issues that are right now becoming quite controversial. The first one being text messages disappearing, which I haven't really noticed on my unit. And I think that has to do with the fact that I use Google Voice. But then in the other cases of people complaining about the speaker quality, where if you remember the first Pixel had those problems, and now people are complaining about the Google Pixel 3 with clicks and clacks. I'm not having issues yet. The people that are with me at this trip are not either, and we're mostly all using Google Pixel 3s. So yeah, let's see. And finally, the hot news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy F or Galaxy X, whatever that final name is going to be for the foldable smartphone, aka/tablet. For those of you that wonder how it's going to look, because Samsung barely showed us a screen and that was it, there are obviously concepts. I don't usually cover concepts here, but this one looks really good. Looks possible. So yeah, we see the display, we see it being extended, we see it closing, and then we notice what Sammy showed us, which was that the display when the product is closed is smaller. It doesn't go fully from every edge of the chassis. Let us know in the comments. I mean, if this were the final design of the Galaxy F, do you like it or not? In my case, I like it when it's open. I don't like it when it's closed, and definitely I feel that they have to work on those borders. But that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.